In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the title of your story highlights on Instagram. So this is a really simple thing to do. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your Instagram app. Once you open up Instagram, you'll be on your Instagram feed, and then from there you will need to go to your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner and head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile and it's loaded up, you will see all of your highlights just on your profile there. So what you want to do, you want to go to the highlight that you want to change the title of, and then you simply need to click and hold down. So once you click and hold down, you will get these options here, and you'll need to click on Edit Highlight. Once you click on Edit Highlight, as you can see, there is an option now for title. If you click on that, you can go ahead and change it. So if I just put YouTube, for example, and then I click on Done. Once you do that, as you can see, the title of that highlight has now been changed. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.